Hey YouTube, it's Esther and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing, and this time it's a Nike SB. We're back in the SB game. Let's get to it. Mr. B, you're going to have to speed up about now. Hooray! Hooray! So these came from Flat Spot. We had a little bit of a disaster with a pair of these. So Mr. B, sorry, I'll get this out of the way, bought me a pair of these from Notes because we'd obviously rather buy from a skate store than direct from Flat Spot, but they were the wrong size because there's two size 6s and it's really annoying, and I'm just glancing down now to check these are the right ones, and thankfully they are people, it's fine. So let's do this properly. These are Nike SB Zoom Blazer Low Pro GT Quick Strike. They are fur white, fur gum light brown, US men's 7, which makes them a men's UK 6, European 40. That's the key, people, because there's a UK 6, which is a 39, European 39, and a European 40, and the 39 ones are just too small for me. I can't wear them at all. Which also makes these a US women's 8.5 rainbow box. It's my first rainbow box.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
I think you've got another rainbow box.
No, I haven't. I sent it back.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it had a pair of these and it was too small.
And what did the Leo Bakers come in?
And Leo Bakers came in an orange label box,
Ooh.
which is brown. Duh, see, things I don't to do something. There we go. There we go. Right, that's me. I'm not touching myself. It might be something funny. Right. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Sorry, I'm being very silly today. Right, let's just put the box out of the way, put the knife out of the way. These are just a super, really nice pair of blazers. They're just like, if I didn't get these, I know it would have come to like full time and I'd have been like, oh, why the hell didn't I get those blazers? Hence why I've got them, because they are just so nice. Look at that green. There we go. Look at that. Just super clean. Super, super clean. It's such a nice green. I really do like a hint of green. Sneaker cam. Look at these bad boys. Really nice leather, suede on them. Then you've got the green canvas panel at the back here. Leather white swoosh. Then round on the back. You've got canvas round on the back with the Nike in the suede green again. Just super, super nice. Nice fat laces, which I do like on a GT blazer. Fat, flat laces. Did I get it right? Fat, flat laces. Try saying that after a few. Just really, really nice. These do have alternate laces, which are just plain, like, white Nike SB. It's like, you ain't putting those in. If they're putting fat, flat, white laces, they may have looked nice, but I'm sticking with the green because I really like the green. Then on the tab, because they are Grant Taylors, it does say Nike SB GT on the tab there as well. Just super, super nice. So these actually have a really nice interior. In fact, let's show you this one because it doesn't have the sticker, and I'm not sure which camera's gonna get that. Are you gonna get that? There. It's gonna focus. Why doesn't anyone want to focus? There we go. Look at that. Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Well, nice, Mr. B on Sneaker Cam. Look at that. And of course, because it's blazer, it's got that blazer sole and a nice gum sole. It's just a really, really clean blazer. And the bonkers thing is that these are pretty much sold out in most places now. Even on Nike, I think they've only got like size 3 or 4 left. And they're on like resale sites already for 20, 30 quid above retail, which is just bonkers because, let's be honest, it's just a plain blazer. So that SB hype is certainly not going away anywhere, but I'm super pleased that I've got these. They're too nice to become a pair of beaters, but I think that these may end up getting worn quite a lot. Got a couple of loose threads on actually. Nothing that can't be chopped off. But yeah, super nice. Do you like using this bit? Because you haven't got a pair of these, have you? No. Do you wish you had a pair? Yes.
Yes.
And that's it really. There isn't much more to say on these. Just super clean, super nice. And I really, really like these. I'm going to be wearing these a lot. I might save them to fall though. Just because.
If
Just
you love
because.
them, SJ,
Yeah.
do you think we'll do an on foot for these?
Yeah,
And stick it at the end of this video?
maybe.
Yeah? Think that's a good idea?
Maybe.
Let's try that then.
Okay. But yes, I do love these. I'm back and I hope you enjoyed that little on foot. You may have seen the little dog sneak in there as well. Now, since I've worn these, there's a few little things that I didn't call out in the unboxing video that I want to show you. So hang on a moment while the camera focuses. There we go. Right, now just at the top, about here, there's a little like line in the gum sole, which is really, really annoying me. It's like a little, it's almost like a little cut. It's just like, now I know it's there, it is annoying the hell out of me. And another thing I've noticed when I look top down is this bit here, okay, is bigger. Now this isn't really going to make any sense, but it's bigger in like dimension wise than on the left foot. Now, I'm not sure again whether you're going to be able to see this properly because it is like super, right, let me swap them around. It's just super, super, super. Do you see what I mean? So if you look at the right one that has like that little nick in it, I'm convinced that it's like 2 or 3 millimeters wider than the sort of gum sole toe cap thingy, don't know what its technical term is, on the left sneaker. It is there. And you know, we say this a lot on our channel. We like a top down view. We like a top down view to be nice. Now I know that little nick's there and it's a little bit bigger on the right. It is winding me up, but they are such a nice blazer. Like the colour is just lovely when it's on, and everything else quality wise I can't really fault. So I am really annoyed, but you know what, I've worn them now. It's not like I can send them back, and these are pretty sold out everywhere now, which is kind of crazy, super crazy. I know we keep saying it, but that SB hype is not going away, and it's there very much so on blazers at the moment. So if you can find these and pick them up, it's a really nice colorway and definitely worth getting in. I think this is one of those blazers where if you don't get it, or I didn't get it, I certainly would have regretted it, because they're just so nice. And those flat laces are just super, super nice. Anyway, as I said, hope you enjoyed that on foot. Nice little bonus there at the end. I'm going to go and now feed the dog or something. But don't forget to join us on Sneaker Stream Sundays, which is at 8 p.m. here in the UK, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Sorry, I've got Mr. B right behind the camera and it's really off-putting. But also, I'm not going to say goodbye. I'm going to say, go watch that video that's coming up next, because it's a good one. See you soon. Bye.